Cut the fixed cable ties with scissors. Remove the R pin. Remove the battery strip and battery. Pull out the left and right angel eye light plugs and the left and right tail light plugs. Pull out the headlight plug. Pull out the wires. Pull the plug of steering engine. Pull out the power cord of the angel eye light control panel. Remove the 5 screws on the second floor plate. Remove the screws on pull rods of steering engines. Take out the second floor plate. Take out the steering metal shaft. Remove the screws on the front bumper parts. Remove the screws on the front shock absorber. Remove the screws on the front upper swing arm. Remove the screws on the front gearbox cover. Take out the front gearbox cover. Take out the broken front differential. Turn the chassis over. Remove the screws on the rear bumper parts. Turn it back. Cut the fixed cable ties with scissors. Pull out the wires. Remove the screws on the rear bumper parts. Take out the rear bumper parts. Remove the screws on rear gearbox cover. Remove the screws on the rear shock absorber. Remove the screws on the rear upper swing arm. Take out the rear swing arm parts. Remove the rear gearbox cover. Take out the broken rear differential. Take out the central transmission shaft. Remove the gears at both ends of the central drive shaft. Take out the new driving gear. Remove the bearings on the broken driving gear and install it on the new driving gear. Remove the broken driving gear. Take out the bearings on the rear driving gear. Press down the main gear. Turn it over. Install central transmission shaft. Use a tool to hold the main gear and push it down. Remove the accessories on the central transmission shaft. Remove the bearings on the broken driving gear and install it on the new driving gear. Install the driving gear into the main gear. Press down the main gear. Install the bearings. Install the assembled gears on both ends of the central transmission shaft. Then install it under the car. The bearings should be stuck on the bearing position under the car. Replace the new differential. Apply lubricating grease. Install the front gearbox cover. Tighten the corresponding screws. Tighten the corresponding screws of the front bumper parts. Install the front universal joint parts and the front upper swing arm. Tighten the corresponding screw. Install the front universal joint parts and the front upper swing arm on the other side. Tighten the corresponding screw. Install the front shock absorber. Tighten the corresponding screws. Install the steering metal shaft. Install the pull rod of steering engine. Tighten the corresponding screw. Pull the wires well. Replace the new differential. Apply lubricating grease. Install the rear gearbox L+ R cover. Tighten the corresponding screws. Install the long metal axis. Install the rear lower swing arm. Install the metal arm. Turn the chassis over. Install the rear transmission shaft. Install the rear upper swing arm. Tighten the corresponding screw. Install the rear drive shaft on the other side. Install the rear upper swing arm. Tighten the corresponding screw. Install the rear shock absorber. Tighten the corresponding screw. Install the rear shock absorber on the other side as well. Tighten the corresponding screw. Install the rear bumper parts. Tighten the corresponding screws. Turn the chassis over. Tighten the corresponding screws of the rear bumper parts. Install the second floor plate. Tighten the 5 screws corresponding to the second floor plate. Install the battery. Install the battery pressure strip. Insert the R pin. Insert the power cord of the Angel Eye Control panel. Insert the plug of steering engine. Insert the plug of left and right Angel Eye light. Insert the plug of headlight. Insert the plug of left and right taillights.